Oh, construction everywhere. No streets in this town to go around. Like literally. But at least it's not too far to walk. So it would take me longer to go driving around the city than it is for me to go this way. So I'm just gonna walk. I'm almost there. Everything's dug up, the sidewalk, everything. In the field. I have my park on, but it's still cold. It's getting cold in Canada. Oh, there's a sidewalk in the road here. This sucks. Oh, hopefully all my appointments will be done soon. This sucks. So overwhelming. Everything happens at the same time. Thanks for going for a walk with me, guys. Oh, for rent. What's for rent? Renovated. Laundry. Okay. I think I'm here. I'm almost there. The lights. My appointment's at 4. I'm probably a few minutes late. Yeah. We made it. Well, I don't know if I made it my appointment, but I made it there. Not about this. Construction workers, terrible common sense. Okay, we made it. And there's construction workers right there. Okay, here we are.